hypothesis-limited researchers. Hypothesis generation is an important way of thinking about things, but it's not the only way. Both induction and deduction are important, and both modalities of using the data should be enabled. And of course, there's progress on the IT side in this area, although the pace of progress is much slower than what we would need for implementation. But as things progress, we adopt everything we possibly can. And so this is kind of this step. So if you think about an integrated system like this in nature, to understand it, I'm arguing that we need a cyber infrastructure style development to support this cycle. Okay? And so that's what we're trying to build and deploy. And in doing that, of course, we use databases, lots of different types of databases. We're always experimenting with databases. We have lots of hope in terms of some of the things that might come out here, but at this point, most of it's unrealized in terms of being able to put something into a product and deploy it in a sustainable, mostly automated way, because curation of all this data in a human-intensive way is unaffordable. In terms of algorithms, we're dealing, of course, and this is just within the cell, right? So we also have, in addition to the pathogen, the host, the interface between the host and the pathogen and the environment. So just thinking about each organism, we have a simplified situation of, genes have relationships with proteins, which have relationships with physiology and metabolism, which, of course, is influencing the state of the organism and the potential outcomes of the encounter between the organism and its potential host. So there's all these kinds of things that we need algorithms for.